Hello friends. Welcome to Tech Support. Today our question is how to download Blender 3.0. First, go to your search engine and type Blender. Click on the first result, it shows blender.org. Then click on Download Blender 2.9 3.2. Here you can see options to download Blender 2.9 3.2 and its different options for different platforms, but we are not here to download Blender 2.9 3.2, we are here to download Blender 3.0, so we have to scroll down, then you will see the option Blender Experimental. Yes, here it is. So click on the Download Blender Experimental. Here you can see the different versions of Blender. At the bottom you can see Blender 3.0. Then select your platform. Windows, Mac, or Linux. I am using Windows, so I will download from that option. Here it is. Finally we successfully downloaded Blender 3.0. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon in the next videos. So bye bye.